Ever wondered how to tap into the world of e-commerce, specifically through the bustling marketplace of Etsy? This is the perfect opportunity to delve into the step-by-step process of starting a print-on-demand business on Etsy. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this entrepreneurial journey together. Print-on-demand is an innovative business model that allows selling custom items like t-shirts, mugs, posters, and much more, without the need for inventory. And Etsy, with its focus on unique and creative goods, provides an ideal platform for such a venture. Getting started involves 5 key steps. First, identify a niche. A niche is a specialized segment of the market for a particular kind of product or service. By focusing on a specific niche, it becomes easier to target the ideal customer and create products that resonate with them. Next, create compelling designs. The design is what sets the products apart. It's what makes them unique and desirable. The designs should be high quality, creative, and relevant to the niche. Hiring a professional designer or using design software can make this process easier. Thirdly, set up a store on Etsy. This involves creating an account, setting up the shop, listing the products, and optimizing the listings for search. Remember to provide clear and detailed descriptions, use high-quality photos, and include relevant keywords. The fourth step is to choose a print-on-demand service. This service will handle the production and shipping of the products. There are several print-on-demand services available, each with their own pros and cons. Researching and comparing these services is crucial in finding the best fit for the business. The final step is to promote the store. This could be through social media, email marketing, SEO, or paid advertising. It's all about getting the word out and attracting potential customers. In summary, starting a print-on-demand business on Etsy involves identifying a niche, creating compelling designs, setting up a store, choosing a print-on-demand service, and promoting the store. It's a journey that requires creativity, research, and persistence. But with the right approach, it can be a rewarding and profitable venture. So it's time to take the plunge. Start brainstorming ideas, create captivating designs, and open the doors to your new Etsy shop. The world of print-on-demand awaits.